Hello, I am Samantha.
And I am Yuki.
We're going to talk about animal reproduction. Organisms aren't immortal, they eventually die. So, in order to continue the existence of species, there has to be some process. This process that helps in giving rise to similar individuals from existing ones is called reproduction. There are two types of reproduction.
In asexual reproduction, an individual can reproduce without involvement with another individual of that species. The division of a bacterial cell into two daughter cells is an example of asexual reproduction. This type of reproduction produces genetically identical organisms clones. These are examples of asexual reproduction: high grass and sea star. In sexual reproduction, during sexual reproduction, the male gamete sperm may be placed inside the female's body for internal fertilization, or the sperm and eggs may be released into the environment for external fertilization. Humans provide an example of the former, while seahorses provide an example of the latter.
And this is our essay about animal reproduction. Once again, I am Samantha.